So here I am sitting in the stand. It's getting to be about 4:12. I'm crossbow hunting. I've shot my crossbow one time. That's it, period. I've never bow hunted. I've never crossbow hunted. My wife just bought this for me as my anniversary present. I love you, baby. This is going to be awesome. I'll let you know when I find something to shoot. The deer aren't moving. I've seen them about 300 yards out. They're crisscrossing left and right. We have a storm coming in, but that's okay. We've got about 15 human warriors out here today. And we are going to do us a Doepocalypse. Yeah.
Welcome to the drop zone. Got you in the crosshairs. Once I pull this trigger, they're going to haul you out of here. Hunting is a lifestyle, survival of the fittest. We on a hunt, what you want, come on. Now you're in a drop zone.
Down, exhale, one shot, one kill. We do it like this all day. Drop zone, y'all, we don't play. We chase them big old hogs, big trucks with over dogs. It's all American. To hunting, toe to gun. Climb up in that tree stand. Got a muzzle loader in my hand. Big buck walking into sight. Game over, drop zone, good night. We hunt them grizzly bears, Kodiaks, blacks and browns. Wanna see what the drop zone is? Follow them tracks to the edge of town. That's where you'll find me. All my folks behind me. We do it like every day. God bless the USA. No way we'll ever stop. We make that big game drop. Outdoors is where we roam. Welcome to the
Hell yeah! Here's the Doepocalypse 2014. Yeah, I'm first hunt with my crossbow.
Now if it flies and dies, that's geese, ducks and doves, pheasants and quail, yeah. Hunting is what we love. We chase them thunder chickens. We make them strut and spit. When they enter that drop zone, baby, game over, that's it. Big bass, big bucks, big guns, get some. This is America, and we don't ever run. Been known to tree a coon, or maybe grab a gator. Support the NRA, what more do I need to say? One shot, one kill, drop zone.
Hell yeah! Fuck yeah, you see that? That's what I call a shot. Yeah, baby. You see that? Yeah! Okay, so here I am with a crossbow and first confirmed kill. Hell yeah. Broke my arrow off and I had to do a cut up, but in other words, the deer didn't go anywhere. It just stopped right there, so hell yeah.